I've been dealing with pain in my upper back and shoulders probably over 15 years. I feel it's probably from working at a desk staring at a computer all day. I had to be very fussy what type of chairs I sat in. I sat in high back chairs. The cushy chairs weren't comfortable, so it affected a lot of my life. My name is Cheryl and I'm from Brillion. Some of the things I couldn't do because of the pain was exercising, lifting heavy things, sometimes even carrying my groceries in would aggravate my condition. Some of the smaller things that I wasn't doing, I wasn't quilting, and I really enjoy quilting. Having this pain affected my life because I couldn't really exercise comfortably. Certain movements I would make throughout the day would cause it to tighten up. It was like muscle spasms. So just even cleaning or doing something fun like quilting, I noticed a lot of times when I had to bend my neck to do something, it was irritating the problem, and I just couldn't enjoy life the way I wanted to. With my upper back, I often had pain between the shoulder blades, and when it was really tightened up, it actually was hard to breathe. If I was walking or exercising, it actually hurt a lot in that area, to the point where it almost felt like I was having a heart attack. I could go for a chiropractic adjustment, and after that was fixed, I could immediately breathe better again right away and do things. But it was reoccurring, so I was looking for a permanent solution. I heard about Midwest Pain Solutions on TV through the commercials, and then I also saw a segment on Channel 5 where he discussed using his lasers, and I felt that was maybe a solution I needed to try. I really didn't have any fears coming in. I came for the free consultation and listened to what Dr. Jackson thought he could do for me. And Dr. Jackson isn't pushy. He actually offered to leave the room so that my husband and I could discuss my coming here. And he explained everything so well. My husband and I told him he didn't have to leave. We felt this was what I needed to do. My experience with the laser therapy is that it's painless. It's easy. You sit in a room with the laser running on a specific spot, and when I'm done with my treatments, I can tell over time that it is helping me. I have more movement in my joints and I have less pain. I was actually surprised how much Dr. Jackson does to help us. He has different therapies he can use. He has the high-intensity lasers, and he has some other therapies that he uses to help, and he seems like he's determined to get to the cause of the problem. Using a therapy that's drug-free and non-invasive is important to me. I lead a very holistic lifestyle. I eat gluten-free, I eat organic foods. I've been searching for solutions for my health issues using natural means, so this definitely was a plus coming here. The care I received at Midwest Pain Solutions has made a difference in my life, because now I can be a little more active than I had been before. My knees are so much better. Just going up and down steps, I really appreciate pain-free days. I used to have problems with breathing with the problems in my upper back, and that is so much better now. I don't have the problem as much, and when I do get it, it's not as intense. I am starting to do more activities. I've been sitting and relaxing, reading books, which is something I couldn't relax. I usually had to move around, so it's just kind of nice to be able to sit and enjoy reading a book. I would recommend Midwest Pain Solutions to other people that are having issues. I actually have recommended to several people. I feel it's worth a shot, especially with a free consultation. You can talk to a doctor and see if he can help you. And I've seen the results with the high-intensity laser, and I feel it could help other people too. Midwest Pain Solutions has got me back on the road to recovering so that I can be active again.